Have you been to Buff City? Have you thought about it? Have you considered it? Have you seen it? Oh my word. If you haven't been in, you need to go. Do you see all the goodies? Do you see all the goodness of this store? Oh my goodness. If you have not been, hold tight. I'm going to break down for you everything that you need to know. Let's get into it. Hey, I'm Rika. Welcome to my channel. Hello, if you're new, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Today, we are doing a Buff City haul. I have a ginormous amount of Buff City stuff at Buff City. Let's get into it. Here's what you need to know. All right, people, first things first. You don't know what to buy when you go into Buff City. I'm going to tell you what you get. You get yourselves a mystery box and a soap sleeve. That is it. This is $4 and this is now $7. It was 5, but it's gone up to 7. All right. So do you see how pretty this is? Do you see how gorgeous? It's so cute. I sent it to my godmom and she saw all the question marks and then she saw, she's like, mystery box. Oh my goodness, this is a mystery I have to solve. So let's open this bad boy up and let's see what comes in it, okay? So I'm opening it up. It's going to look something like this, all right? So you are gonna get a card in here that tells you what everything is. It's gonna look a variety of ways. They keep updating the cards, okay? This one, I have an Egoist bar soap, Peace and Love soap, Fall for You, and the Oatmeal Honey Truffle. So this right here, this right here is the Oatmeal Honey Truffle, and this is really cute. I feel like these are like $7 to $10 by themselves. So you get that in with the box. Really good buy. What do you do with the soap sleeve? You take the bar of soap, and this is like a little bag. It's a mesh bag, all right? It's a mesh bag, and you just pop the bar of soap in the soap sleeve, and you can hang this. Let's see. You can hang this in your shower, all right? And from the very first swipe, you get suds instantly. Very first swipe. This is worth the money, all right? So it exfoliates, it cleans you, all of that. Get a soap sleeve. You need this, okay? So, but you get, for $7, and mind you, a bar of soap is $7 by itself. So for you to get 3 samples and a bath truffle, that's a good buy. So when you go in there, get a mystery box and a soap sleeve, and you are good to go. Tips and tricks on Tuesdays. You want to go on Tuesdays because they have the 4 for $20. They call it happy hour all day long. On happy hour, you can get a bath bomb, the bar of soap, the soap fizzies, and then something else. Something that I never buy. But it's 4 different things. You can mix and match. It's 4 for $20. They're usually $7 a pop. So if you're getting 20 for $20, 4 of them, that's a good buy. Go on Tuesday. So every Buff City has regional scents, regional or local scents. So if you have several Buff Cities in your area, visit all of them because there's bound to be something a little bit different in each one. Here's what I have. I am in Memphis, Tennessee, and I'm at the East Memphis location, okay? We're in the heart of Memphis, I'm going to say, and we're right next to the University of Memphis. So we've got all things that are tiger blue related. So the first scent that I have right here is Tiger Lane. And it's October, it looks like Halloween and all that, but it's a nice clean scent and it's pretty. Go with that. Cry Me a River. You see that? So Cry Me a River, we're right next to the Mississippi River. This is nice. Look how pretty that is. And then the top part of it is also really pretty. So I love this. Here is Take a Hike. So this is pretty. All right. So most of these, they're just really, really pretty, right? They've got nice little names. And then this one, we've got the Memphis Grizzlies here. So this one's called Grits and Grind. So, and then this has got a little bit of orange in it. It's nice neutral scent. It smells good and it looks really pretty. So those are the local scents that I have. All right. Now let's get into the seasonal. There are 3 seasonal scents at my location. So the first one is called Cinnamon Swirl. Ooh, this one is all things holiday. The smell of cinnamon, like the red hots and all that stuff. You know, you get the scented pine cones and stuff. This would be that. Do you want to walk around and smell like scented pine cones? That's not a bad scent. That's not a bad smell. I would follow you. I would want to get to see you or get to know you if you smelled like this. So this is cinnamon swirl. This is a perfect holiday scent. So it's out right now for fall, and I believe it will probably go all the way through Christmas. But this, oh, I really like this one. This one's good. All right. This next one is Fall for You. This is all things fall. It is one of my absolute favorites. Look how pretty it is on the top of it. Isn't that great? Oh, love it. Yes, this is it's the embodiment of fall. Look at the colors and stuff of it. This is, if you're a fall person and fall is your time of year, you need this soap. This is fall for you. This, oh, honey, I'm falling for it. I'm falling for it. I love it. I love it. This one's really good. This one is a pumpkin spice latte. And I think they told me that they're coming out later on with a pumpkin waffle something. This one to me smells, it's a little hint of coffee in it. A deeper smell of coffee in it along with the pumpkin spice. Yeah, definitely the latte vibe. Okay, these are my favorites. Okay, so my number one is my cherry almond. So one of the girls who works there, she hates cherry almond. She says, I don't know if it's the cherry or the almond, but I hate it. I love it. This one smells like the Jergens soap. Y'all remember the Jergens soap with the cherry blossom? Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so good. I need a minute. This one's awesome. Cherry almond smells a lot like the Jergens one. You need this one, all right? This one is Hey Headache, all right? So I've heard, the friends who sell essential oils and things like that, peppermint helps when you have a headache, especially after migraines and stuff. This might be a good soap for you. If you have high migraines, that strong peppermint scent, very cleansing, all of that. This one's good, all right? My favorite right now, I've got a couple different favorites, but my favorite right now is white jasmine. Oh, I can't even get the thing off of it. But you see the pinks and the greens, it won't come off. This one, it's a nice, light, fresh scent, kind of like a spring scent, It's a floral scent too, definitely floral scent. So it's called white jasmine, and this one, all things dainty and pretty and sweet and nice. White jasmine's a good pick. Look at this one. Isn't this one fun? It's called Life of the Party, and it's a birthday cake. Oh, let's see if I can slide this off. How cute is this? You guys see how thick these bars of soap are? Isn't that great? So this is Life of the Party. This one does not have a very strong scent at all. I suspect it's probably more for looks, but how cute is that? How cute. I mean, you can't be mad with that. Isn't that great for somebody's birthday? So these are about $7 a pop. These are about $7 a pop. I forgot to say that. But, and then I went on a Tuesday. They do 4 for $20. So I went on a Tuesday and got as much as I possibly could. They have lots of different sales. This is Narcissus with Shea. So I need to do another clip of, so the Shea makes it look lighter. All right, I have another one. I'll go get it. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like without the Shea. See how dark that is and vibrant, and see the difference now? All right, so with the Shea, it's gonna be much lighter. So they have several different scents that have it with Shea and then those without. So that's how you'll tell the difference. Magnolia, Narcissus, all of them have it for the most part, but without Shea and then with Shea. So that's the difference in it, okay? But the fragrance is the same, okay? So the Shea, in case you're wondering, is an extra moisturizer. So if you have really dry skin, the Shea is really, really good just to have your skin smooth and moisturized and all that. If you want that feeling of, ooh, your skin's so soft, get the Shea. So this is one of the best sellers, and this is more of a neutral scent, all right? So it works for both men and women. This is one of the best sellers. If you're curious about what to buy, they always give, I have so many samples of this. This is the sample. Do you see how thick that is compared to the bar? All right, this is like a third of the actual bar itself, okay? So they give you really nice size samples, and at my store, they load you up. And I would suggest that you just make friends with them, because when you do, they're very generous with samples. Here's the next one, lemongrass. All right. This one definitely, lemon. Definitely smells like lemon, all right, and grass if you want to go outside. So this is one of those very bright scents that wakes up your senses and things like that. So, and then they have a scrub in this. Oh, smells so good. Smells so good. So this is lemongrass. It's one of my favorites. I love that. This is oatmeal with shea. So they have oatmeal and honey with shea. I don't have a regular one, but you just know now without shea, it's a little bit more brown. So you can see the top part of that. It's got the brown swirls in it and the gold. I love it. So this is much more of a softer scent, more subtle scent. Honey and oatmeal, all right? So this is nice and relaxing. If you're gonna take a nice bubble bath or something like that, oh yes. You need something to wash the cares of the day away. This one is good. This one's good. All right, so I think that these are my favorites. Let's get into something else. In case you're wondering, do they have men's scents? Yes, they do. I'm gonna show you a few. You ready? All right. So one of my boyfriend's favorite is Ferocious Beast. This is Ferocious Beast with shea. So it's a little bit lighter. The other one's darker. It's got more vibrant colors and all that. But this is Ferocious Beast with shea. Yeah, these are nice kind of cologne type smelling ones, you know. So this one has a more distinct smell. It smells manly. Smells manly. You know, the idea of a good looking man walking down the street and you just want to follow him and because he smells good. Not in a stalker type way. But like an admiring type way. Ferocious Beast. I like this one. All right, Commando. This one's a little bit stronger. All right, so this one's a little bit stronger. And we have this one in a scrub as well. And it scrubs up the hands and stuff very, very nicely. And, you know, I would say maybe a little bit more of a woodsy smell. There is Tobacco Bay as well. All right. So this one, more pungent than these. So Ferocious Beast and Commando, much smoother scents, but definitely manly scents, okay? So if you have like the outdoor woodsman in your family, or just a guy who's just all things masculine, that's a good one. Tobacco Bay is a little bit softer of a scent, but this is Tobacco Bay, and I love the colors of it. Look at that. Like, looks like camouflage, right? So it reminds me, if you're going to be out hunting and all that stuff, we're down here in the South. They do a lot of hunting, okay? Up north, you guys may not. This is Aqua Spa, is this one. So for the guy in your life who just likes to be clean, this is Aqua Spa, and this one smells nice as well, all right? So I think those are the male scents that I really like. Oh, sorry, I forgot one more. This is Patchouli Sandalwood. Can you see that? Patchouli Sandalwood. So, oh, this one's, I didn't realize that, much smoother. Look at that, the nice brown swirl and all that. Isn't that pretty? So, Patchouli Sandalwood. This is a little bit more of a neutral scent. Not neutral, but a lighter scent. But once again, still kind of masculine. So they have many more. They have a Kraken, and they've got several other ones. But these are just the ones that I picked up that are male scents. So they also have a beard oil and lotion bars and things like that. I'm going to show you a lotion bar in a minute. This right here is a lotion bar. Okay, so I got this one in cherry almond because my godmother loves cherry almond. All right, so it's gonna come looking like a deodorant stick. All right, and you just have it come up and you can just rub it on. You can just rub it on, and then just rub it in, and it's a deodorant stick. So it does the same thing. These work pretty well as far as moisturizers and stuff go. So, but this is a lotion bar, which I thought was interesting. This is the shower oil. So if you want to do the shower as a one-stop shop, all right, the shower oil is really, really good to get, okay? So what I usually do, this says for you to use it to spray it evenly on the skin and rub in and then rinse with water. So you can use this in the shower if you choose to. I use it outside of the shower. So as soon as I'm done, while I'm still wet, I step out, then I'll spray it all over And well, actually I spray it into my hand first and then I'll rub it on. It keeps the mess down just a bit, a little bit more control of where you want it to go. And you don't have to do a full body lotion down unless you want to. I am extra, so I do it anyway because I'm extra, all right? But you may not be extra. So this is a one-stop shop. Get out of the shower, spray it down, rub it in, you're good to go for the rest of the day. So these smell really good. I'm big into layering, so I will get the matching soap and the shower oil, and then they also have the body butters as well. So I will just layer all that. You're smelling good all day long. So here is the laundry detergent, all right? So you definitely want to get these. These are the HE approved for your washing machines and all that stuff. So you will end up getting a scoop. So there's two different types of scoops, all right? So I have a scoop and then I have one that looks like a spoon, all right? So I bought this one for my godmother. I use this one myself. You need 2 tablespoons. So they're both a tablespoon a pop. This one looks like it's a little bit more, but I don't mind a little extra in my washing machine, okay? But you just scoop it, you pop it in the washing machine just like we used to do back in the day. Don't put it in the drawer, okay? Put it in with your clothes, all right? But it cleans, it softens, and it makes your clothes smell really good. So these are fun. They will run sales where it's buy one, get one half off. So that happens a lot. They also have sales where it's like 20% off of everything that you buy and 30% off of 100. So when you go in there, make sure you sign up for the VIP. Give them your phone number. You'll sign up for the VIP texting list, and they will text you just about every weekend. There's a sale on something. So be sure to do that, and you want to get your laundry detergent. It smells really, really good. This one's in cherry almond. So there's one last thing I want to show you, and these are the dryer balls. So they come in a pack of 3. They're $6 a pop, and you can buy them individually as well. These are once again scented in cherry almond because we're trying to layer everything in the same scent, okay? But you pop these in the dryer with your clothes, and they smell really, really good. So they will tell you to let them sit for 24 hours when you first get them scented, okay? And let that scent really soak into the balls, and then it'll soak into your clothes. Other people have used the dryer balls underneath their sofa. They've used it in their car, in their drawers. Any place you want to just smell good, get your dryer balls. You can get one. All right. And then also, if you have them already, I feel like should be a smiley face on this one. Does that look like a smiley face to you? Anyway, so if you get them rescented, they're $2 per dryer ball to rescent. All right. So I usually do mine just like this, put them in a plastic bag, take them in, get them rescented in any scent you want. You don't have to get the same scent. And this is a really great way to have your clothes smell really, really good. So this is all I have for my Buff City haul. I so hope that you enjoyed it. I love it. If you haven't been, treat yourself and go to Buff City. You will not regret it. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.